You have forgotten when your next menstrual cycle is. You haven't tracked your period well. Do not worry. We have for you Clue, the menstrual calendar, an app made to facilitate women's menstrual health. You will no longer have doubts, nor will you be guessing when your next menstrual cycle will be. It will no longer surprise you. Clue is an app for iOS and Android devices. Through this app, you will have predictions about your period and the average date on which it will arrive. Also, you can take a look at your overall tracking data. That way, you can draw quick conclusions. You can learn about personal patterns with more than 30 options to track colic, skin, hair, sleep, emotions, energy, sex, even digestion. Clue has an encyclopedia where you will find answers and comments from different experts on the subject about the changes that your body can present. You can find topics on the menstrual cycle, contraceptives, the fertility window, sex, health problems, even emotional stability. Clue does a statistical analysis of your past cycles and generates certain reminders so you don't forget to enter your menstruation data. So the app can make an approximation to the next menstrual cycle. You just have to download the app from your Play Store, link an account, and register all your data. In addition to this, answer some frequently asked questions about your cycle, and you can start recording all the patterns in the app. And if you forget when your next menstrual cycle is or your doctor asks you, just cancel the app, which will give you all the information you need. In the event that you are late, Clue will notify you how many days late you are. It doesn't matter if you are regular or irregular. Clue has the exact setup for you.